Good morning children, welcome back to MOI revision class of 9th standard. Dear children, in previous class we discussed about the two important concepts in this lesson, the age of revolution and the Russian revolution. So today's revision class, let us will see the next important concept is the February revolution in Petrograd. Okay, February revolution in Petrograd. So please you take your NCERT textbook and go through the page number 35 to 38. Okay, page number 35 to 38. So in that pages we have to concentrate more on the February revolution and after the February revolution and Russian revolution of October 1917. Okay, 1917. So now briefly I will explain about this concept. After that you have to read your NCERT textbook along with the lead supplementary book, right? So now let us see the February revolution in Petrograd. Okay, in Petrograd, dear children, in a winter season in the year 1917, the capital city, the Petrograd, was in the green because the workers quarters were located in the right bank of the river Neva and officers quarters were located in the left bank of the river Neva. So there, when the winter season started, the food shortage was acute in the industrial areas. In the industrial areas means where the workers were lived in the quarters. There the food shortage was acute and the workers were demanded to the government to solve that problem. So when that movement was started to move towards the right bank of the river Neva, so that time what happened, the workers were organized a movement against the government and they were causes to lead this February revolution in Russia. So after the February revolution, what happened in Russia, you know? So most of the political party organizations, so Bolshevik party, Revolutionary Party and Russian Socialist Democratic Political Party, these political parties were started to change the provisional government in Russia. Okay, already the provisional government was running the government. So when the conflict was started between the provisional government and these people, so they were decided to change the provisional government. So after that what happened, the revolution of October 1917 was started. So these people were started the October revolution in the year 1917. So after finishing this NCERT reading textbook, so please try to solve the question number 3 and 4. Okay, after that in lead textbook or in lead supplementary book, please you read concept map 17 and 18. Okay, after finishing this 17 and 18 concept map, please answer practice questions 17 and 18 because most of the questions may come from both lead supplementary book and NCERT textbook, but you have to concentrate more on the NCERT textbook. So after finishing this reading, just once you go through the worksheet and try to solve the all questions in worksheet.